pinasahan mo. Yung screen eh. Pinasahan mo yung screen eh. Doon ka nga dadaan. Hindi ba sa Lakers yan? Hindi ba sa Lakers yan?
Kapag rotation, ilagay ko.
Naka-video na yan? Ano ba vlog mo?
Doon tayo kwarto.
Ano vlog mo si Kuya Ken? Ba't ka nag-aalala ko ng basketball? Tanangin mo. Huwag mo kamutin.
Kuha ka na kamo.
Masakit? Makati.
Doon tayo.
Ngayon, natakbo.
Kwarto tayo.
Uy, hindi pa.
Kwarto.
Kwarto ka pa. Dito tayo. Dito ko lang sa sala.
Ay, bigla ko po.
Naraskay.
Tinugal ba?
Sorry ko na ako ng isang free throw. Sir, gagamitin na ito, Brandon ay si Drew Smith.
Nagamit mo na yan, ha? 0-1 Lakers. Hindi pa. Magagamit
Ano nga yung 15-16 Lakers eh, ano eh, ang dilim.
15-16? Ano pa dilim?
Madilim yung mga player.
Ay, ano lang? Wala?
Hindi. Ano parang ang dilim ng court clip ng Cavaliers. Pati player ang dilim.
Logi. At pala pure black lang.
Hindi. Eh, tsura. Ano sila? Parang dark lang talaga. Madilim lang talaga. Eh, ball.
Layo mo naman.
Bot
Walang
lang
ano?
yan. Bot lang na yan. Bot?
Ah. Ba't lang?
Bot nga sa...
Ay. Ay daw. Kira.
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog. It's Darius, Kobe, and Coach Ken. We're naglalaro tayo ng NBA 2K26. Yan, samahan nyo kami. O, pakita mo kung ano yan. Pakita mo kung ano yan. Ano yung hawak mo?
Ano hawak mo? Ano hawak mo?
Yan, ano yung hawak mo? Yan, pakita mo.
Mas mabigat pa siya eh.
Guys, ito nga pala yung hawak ni Darius. Pakita mo. Ano yan? Ano tawag dyan?
Kanin.
Kanin.
Tapos. Kanin.
Uy.
Yan, candy.
Si Candy ka na naman.
Hindi ako
Hindi. Saba ng titig mo eh.
Ay!
70% lang yun, oh. Ayun, buwan-buwan.
Arabia outside. James. Six on the shot clock. Shoots over Graham. Shots good by James. And the Lakers lead by 8.
Parang lahat.
LeBron is really paying off in this one. He is driving this offense.
Sumilit pa yan. Sa'yo eh.
Defensively, he can't afford to get stuck in the pit. Well, you just have to communicate those switches. If you don't, it's on you. Well, that's
Nagamit mo na yung Yoko step. Alam mo na paano. Tanggalin mo yung sprint sabay, ano, ganun ka. Sa, swipe right. Or left kung sa kadada.
rim protection. Unforgivable in a tight ball game like this. Well, I'm surprised because he's a guy you have to key on for something like this. You can't let him hit one that easy.
General na po. Yung General Master eh, no?
Takes it right to the hole.
Hindi ba ako eh.
Against Smith.
Uy, ba't tumalon?
Ito malone.
And just great intensity down the stretch. I mean, he really wants the rock on the line. And that is great leadership. He certainly has that clutch gene that every team needs. Pass to James. Shoots over Grant. And there's another one for the Lakers. Unfair.
Sakit. KKB lang ito. Ito, kilala mo ito.
Shot off pretty much whenever you want.
Superman.
Grant on the post. James is there. Grant's shot is off. Los Angeles leading by 6. Hachimura, right side. Back to James. Fades and shoots. Misses off the left iron. And so it's Avdia with it. He brings it up for the Portland Trailblazers. Grant finds Avdia.
Ay, suta.
He makes it from the left.
Semi pro pa lang yan. Ano pa kaya pag Hall of Fame?
Pero pa nga na, tinambakan ako na 30 eh. Maganda nilaro kanina ni Brony. Pinasok sa
Wala ba nila Mil?
Saan ka? Ayun?
Ah, dito?
Yan.
Kala ko sa ano
May
eh.
bola?
Apo.
Let's check in with our reporter, Allie LaForce.
Thanks, guys. I got a chance to hear what JJ Redick was saying.
Ah, ito yung
Cautioned his guys
7-7.
against forcing things at the arc, saying you can't make a rhythm happen. So don't force
Ito,
it.
malawak.
Take what is coming to you out there. Coach hoping for
Wala awak eh.
going forward, guys.
Hindi ka mo na eh.
Thanks. Here's Holiday.
Uy!
Naliligaw ako.
Naliligaw ka?
Naliligaw.
Hangga.
Tayo yung dilaw.
Ah, dilaw.
Dilaw tayo, dilaw tayo.
Kalaban yung Ken. Alam mo na?
Panoorin mo lang yung dilaw. Team Yellow tayo, Lakers.
Team yellow.
Opo.
Weakness
Ay,
eh.
na mga team na.
Oo.
Teammates.
That's what he does. Rock solid at the line.
Na hangga. Ay,
Kahit sige ka niyan, sige ka
4
niyan.
of 7 from the field in the fourth quarter. Smart outside.
Ay, dito bakbo.
Hachimura left side. From deep, here's Doncic. Portland with a rebound.
Ayun din.
Sharp's got his 4th rebound in this one. To tie it up.
Tapos ka mo. Eh, Kobe! Mga ipagtaos mo na yung shoot.
15 points in just a second.
Kapon ah.
They really picked up the energy level and they moved themselves back into this game. And now the big question, can they sustain the
Sayang.
Smart for 3. The shot is good. Doncic
Eh, guys!
Doncic just got his 7th assist of the game with that last one. Has to Clingan. Here's the ball. Right away, they got to win a three-pointer of their own. And what a comeback. Do they have enough left to maintain this
Saan pa
energy
kanina yan?
and get the win? Well, right now, they have the momentum.
Nice one!
You've got to watch it. This league has been
Hindi lang kasi realistic yung alip nila eh, no?
Hindi realistic.
Realistic ba?
Lalo pag si ano binabatuan ko,
Sino?
si Hayes.
Yung iba kasi lumiliad pa eh.
Realistic.
Los Angeles has gone 2 of 3 from beyond the arc here in the
Nakakirita lang ako sa ano eh, may letter Y.
Ah.
Nakakirita yun.
Ay!
against Smart. Has to
Sa Tokoy Pokotin kasi automatic eh, no?
outside, off the mark.
Bira lang sumaglay.
tapos na
15
yan.
tsaka ano, hanggang Pokotin yung pangit ng alip nila kaya kayo. Tandang
Ako yung natlo.
Okay na yan? Apo,
15
na.
yung ano, Pokotin. Pangit alip nila.
Ano?
Oh, pinito na yan.